Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Welcome to our online teaching academy Ekalaiva. Today we are going to do the problems in exercise 11 from the chapter fractions. In this exercise we are going to divide the fractions. Okay. First question, divide, give the answer in the lowest term. 6 by 7 divided by 3. We are going to divide a fraction by the whole number. To divide, what we have to do? To divide a fraction by a whole number, we are going to multiply the fraction by the reciprocal of the whole number. Reciprocal of the whole number, here the number is 3. What is the reciprocal of 3? Here whole number means the denominator is 1, isn't it? For all the whole number, the denominator is 1. The reciprocal of the whole number, 1 by the whole number. Here 3, the reciprocal of 3 is 1 by 3. So, here we are going to multiply 6 by 7 by the reciprocal of 3, that is 1 by 3. Now, we have to check whether the possibilities are there to reduce the numerator number and the denominator number. Here 7 is a prime number, we can't. Here 3 and 6, we can reduce 3 and 6 in 3 table. In 3 table 1 time, in 3 table 2 time. Now 2 and 7 are prime numbers, we can't reduce the numbers. So I am going to multiply the numerator number separately. 2 into 1, 2 by denominator number. 7 into 1, 7. So 2 by 7 is the answer. 6 by 7 divided by 3 is equal to 2 by 7. Okay, see the next fraction. 3 by 4 divided by 12. Here we are going to divide the fraction by 12. For that we are going to multiply the fraction 3 by 4 by the reciprocal of 12. What is the reciprocal? 1 by 12. Now can we reduce the numerator and denominator numbers? Here 3, 4, 12. We can reduce 3 and 12. In 3 table 1 time. In 3 table 4 time. No other possibilities. So, I am going to multiply the numerator number. 1 into 1, 1 divided by 4 4s are 16. So, 1 by 16 is the answer. 3 by 4 divided by 12 is equal to 1 by 16. Is it clear, children? The next one, 4 by 7 divided by 28. Here, to divide the fraction by 28, we are going to multiply the fraction by the reciprocal of 28. The reciprocal of 28 is 1 by 28. Can we reduce the numbers? Here we can reduce 4 and 28 in 4 table. In 4 table 1 time, in 4 table 7 time. Here in numerator we are having 1 alone, so there is no other possibilities. So 1 into 1, 1 divided by 7 into 7, 7 7s are 49. So 1 by 49 is the answer. 4 by 7 divided by 28 is equal to 1 by 49. Then next question, 9 by 7 divided by 3. To divide the fraction by 3, we are going to multiply the fraction 9 by 7 by the reciprocal of 3. Reciprocal of 3 is 1 by 3. Now we have to check. We can reduce the numbers 3 and 9 in 3 table. In 3 table 1 time, in 3 table 3 time. Here 3 and 7 are prime numbers, so we can't reduce the numbers. So we have to multiply the numerator numbers. 3 into 1, 3 divided by 7 into 1, 7. So 3 by 7 is the answer. 9 by 7 divided by 3 is equal to 3 by 7. Was it clear? The next question, divide and give the answer in the lowest term. Here we are going to divide a fraction by another fraction. Here also we have to follow the same procedure. Instead of dividing on first fraction 3 by 8, we are going to multiply it by the reciprocal of the second fraction. Here 3 by 4. What is the reciprocal of 3 by 4? we have to write the denominator number in numerator and numerator number in denominator. So reciprocal of 3 by 4 is 4 by 3. Now we have to reduce the numerator and denominator numbers. Here we can reduce 3 and 3. Here we can reduce 4 and 8 in 4 table one time. Here 2 time. Here no other possibilities. So in numerator 1 into 1, 1 divided by 2. So 1 by 2 is the answer. 3 by 8 divided by 3 by 4 is equal to 1 by 2. Okay. The next fractions 5 by 9 divided by 1 by 3. Here also we are going to multiply 5 by 9 by the reciprocal of 1 by 3. So 5 by 9 into, what is the reciprocal of 1 by 3? We have to write the denominator number in numerator and numerator number in denominator. So 3 by 1 is the reciprocal of 1 by 3. Now we have to check. Here we can reduce 3 and 9 in 3 table. In 3 table 1 time, in 3 table 3 time. Here no other possibilities. So we are going to multiply the numerator number separately and denominator number separately. 5 into 1, 5 divided by denominator 3 into 1, 3. See the fraction 5 by 3. Here numerator is greater than the denominator. So this is an improper fraction. We have to convert the improper fraction to mixed number. So we have to divide the numerator number by the denominator number. Here 5 divided by 3. In 5 only 1 time 3 is there. Now we have to subtract 5 minus 3, we will get 2. So we have to write in the form of quotient remainder by divisor. Quotient is a whole number part and remainder by divisor is a fractional part. Here quotient is 1 whole number and remainder is 2 and divisor is 3. So the answer is 1, 2 by 3. So 5 by 9 divided by 1 by 3 is equal to 1, 2 by 3. Is it clear, children? If you are getting an answer as an improper fraction, we have to convert it into mixed number. See the next one, 5 by 3 divided by 15 by 9. Here we are going to multiply the fraction 5 by 3 by the reciprocal of 15 by 9. Reciprocal is 9 by 15. Now can we reduce the numbers? Yes, here we can reduce 5 and 15 in 5 table. In 5 table 1 time, in 5 table 3 times 15. Again we can reduce the numbers 3 and 9 in 3 table 1 time. Here in 3 table 3 time. Here we can reduce the numbers 3 and 3. As a whole we got 1 into 1, 1 by 1 into 1, 1. So what is the answer? 1. 1 is the answer. We can reduce all the numbers. So 1 is the answer. 5 divided by 3 divided by 15 by 9 is equal to 1. Then next fraction 24 by 11 divided by 8 by 33. Here we are going to multiply the first fraction 24 by 11 by the reciprocal of the second fraction. Reciprocal of the second fraction is 33 by 8. Here we can reduce the numbers 8 and 24 in 8 table. In 8 table 1 time, in 8 table 3 times. Here also we can reduce 11 and 33 in 11 table 1 time. Here in 11 table 3 times. Here in denominator 1 alone is there. So we are going to multiply the numbers in numerator 3 into 3, 9 divided by 1, which is equal to 9. So 9 is the answer. 24 by 11 divided by 8 by 33 is equal to 9. Is it clear, children? The next question is a word problem. Here Kaya cuts 3 meter of cloth into stripes of 1 by 4 meter each. How many stripes does he get? Let us consider this is the whole cloth. The length of the cloth is 3 meter. He is cut into small strips of length 1 by 4 meter. Now we are going to find out how many strips she can cut. Okay, so the total length divided by the length of one stripe. To find out the number of stripes she can cut, we are going to divide the total length of the cloth by the length of one stripe. Okay, let us start the solution. Length of the cloth is equal to 3 meter. Length of one stripe is equal to 1 by 4 meter. Okay, now we are going to find the number of strips. Number of strips she can cut is equal to the length of whole cloth 3 meter divided by 1 by 4 meter. Here meter will be cancelled. Now we are having 3 divided by 1 by 4. To divide the number 3 by 1 by 4, we are going to multiply it by the reciprocal of 1 by 4. Reciprocal of 1 by 4 is 4 by 1. Now in denominator we are having 1 alone. So I am going to multiply the numerator numbers 3 into 4. Then we will get 12. So she can cut 12 strips. Okay. So answer statement. Shaya cuts 12 strips. From the whole cloth, she can cut 12 strips. We are dividing the length of whole cloth by the length of one strip. Then we will get the number of strips she can cut. Okay. The next question. On her birthday, Meenu bought 3 1 by 2 kg, 3.5 kg sweets and packed them into packets containing 1 by 4 kg each. To give us return gifts to her friends, how many packets did she make? Totally, he bought 3 1 by 2 kg sweets. He is packing in small packets with 1 by 4 kg. Now we are going to find out how many packets she can make. So from the total quantity of sweets, we have to divide it by the quantity of sweet in one packet. Then we will get the number of packets she can make. Okay. So solution. Quantity of sweets she bought is equal to 3 1 by 2 kg. Quantity of sweets she packed in one pack. Quantity of sweets packed in one pack. Is equal to 1 by 4 kg. Now we are going to find the number of packets. Number of packets she can make. For that, we are going to divide the quantity of sweets she bought by quantity of sweets in one packet. Okay, here kg will be cancelled. Here the fraction is in mixed number. So first we are going to convert it into improper fraction. Here 3 1 by 2. For that we have to multiply the denominator and the whole number part. 3 2s are 6. Then we have to add the numerator. 6 plus 1, 7. By the same denominator number 2. 7 by 2 divided by the second fraction 1 by 4. To divide the fraction 7 by 2 by 1 by 4, we are going to multiply it by the reciprocal of the second fraction. 1 by 4, what is the reciprocal? 4 by 1. Now, can we reduce the numbers? Yes, we can reduce 2 and 4 into table 1 time, into table 2 time. Here in denominator we are having 1 alone. So, we are going to multiply the numerator number. 7 2s are 14. So, she can make 14 packets. This is the number of packets she can make. Okay. So, answer statement. Meenu can make 14 packets. Okay. See children, in this question we are finding number of packets Meenu can make. For that we are dividing the total quantity she bought by the quantity of sweet packed in one pack. Here 1 by 2 kg divided by 1 by 4 kg. First we are converting the mixed fraction into improper fraction. After that, to divide the fraction we are multiplying it by its reciprocal. Then we are getting 14. So, she can make 14 packets. Okay. Then the next question, the cost of 2.5 kg potato is rupees 30. Here what is the cost of 1 kg? Here 2.5 kg potatoes, cost of 2.5 kg potatoes is given. We are going to find 1. From many we are going to find 1. So, we have to use division. Okay. Let us start the solution. Cost of 2.5 kg potatoes is equal to rupees 30. Now we are going to find the cost of 1 kg potatoes. Is equal to rupees 30 divided by 1 by 2. Okay, here the first number is the whole number, the second fraction is a mixed fraction. So, first we have to convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction. Here 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 1, 5. Then the same denominator number 2. Now, we are going to divide 30 by the fraction 5 by 2. To divide, we are going to multiply the number 30 by the reciprocal of 5 by 2, that is 2 by 5. Now, can we reduce the numbers? Yes, we can reduce 5 and 30 in 5 table. In 5 table 1 time, in 5 table 6 times. In denominator we are having 1 alone. So, I am going to multiply the numerator number 6 into 2. 6 2s are 12. So, 12 rupees. This is the cost of 1 kg salt. Cost of 1 kg potatoes. Okay. To find the cost of 1 kg potatoes, we are dividing the cost of 2.5 kg potatoes by 1 by 2. Then we are getting the cost of 1 kg potatoes. Is it clear, children? Hope you all understand. To receive our online lessons, please press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest updates. Thank you, children.